Hello, I'm Louis Hickman. I'm an assistant professor at Virginia Tech in industrial organizational psychology and a visiting academic at Amazon in their global hiring science team. This summer, I'll be teaching a brand new course for Karma on natural language processing and text analysis, which will also touch on machine learning. You might have noticed that organizational and psychological research, among other fields, is increasingly using language data to measure variables and test hypotheses in novel ways. And of course, this really got into the public zeitgeist with the emergence of ChatGPT and other large language models. This revolution in research and practice has been brought on by the widespread availability of open source tools that allow us to analyze textual data. This can come from speech, emails, social media, job interviews, earnings calls. All kinds of organizational data is text-based. So what this course is going to do is we're going to work in Python to equip you with skills to analyze text data in a variety of ways. So we're going to start with earlier methods of natural language processing, what we call bag of words approaches, such as using dictionaries and n-grams to count the occurrence of words and phrases in text. Get up to word embeddings that can tell us how changes in organizations change the way that different concepts are represented in organizational documents. We'll get up to sentence and document embeddings, such as with BERT and RoBERTa, that start to estimate the semantics of natural language text, and that's more than one word. And then to the more recent large language models, which we can use to serve as content coders in a variety of ways in research and reduce the need for human labor in working with qualitative data. We're also going to look at how we can use NLP to estimate similarity among different entities, build predictive machine learning models to measure constructs, to fine-tune embedding models, and how we can use large language models to measure variables without any training data. After the course, you'll have a variety of tools for applying natural language processing to organizational research. You'll have a bunch of example papers that have used NLP to answer research questions in your area, whether that's micro, macro, industrial psych and human resources, organizational psych and organizational behavior. We'll touch on it all because that's how ubiquitous these methods have become in our field, and they open up many opportunities for studying old questions in new ways, as well as studying new questions.